Hello everyone and welcome to Azam Sharp YouTube channel. I have a quick and an amazing announcement for all of you. If you go to azamsharp.school and go to workshops, I am hosting SwiftData Fundamentals workshop on December 13, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. And in this particular session, you are going to be learning a lot about SwiftData. You're going to learn about SwiftData architecture, relationships, testing, and even CloudKit integration. And look at the price for the workshop for now. The price is only $9.99. Yeah, basically $10. All right. So this is like my gift to you, my year-end gift to you. And make sure that you register for the workshop. And once you are registered, I will send you all the details. Make sure you also add yourself to the Slack channel, and I'll share you all the details. But this is a 3-hour workshop on SwiftData. So if you have never worked with SwiftData, if you are confused about what kind of architecture I can use, this is it. This is what you want to attend. And for the holidays, I'm just giving this special price. I mean, one-time deal only. And you can also check out some other workshops coming in 2025, including server-side Swift Vapor and also machine learning. So there's a lot of other stuff coming up. But focus on SwiftData Fundamentals. That's coming up really quickly, December 13th. Seats are limited, so make sure that you register for that. Thank you so much.